What if I told you that just a few minutes every morning could make you look taller, feel stronger, and move with more confidence? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you 10 simple home exercises that can help you improve your posture, boost flexibility, and naturally appear taller. These moves don't need any equipment, just your body, your breath, and a few minutes of consistency. Stick around till the end for a quick daily routine you can start today. And before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new workout. All right, ready to grow taller and stand prouder? Let's get started. Number 1. Stretch up. Stand tall, reach your arms above your head, and stretch as if you're touching the ceiling. Hold for 20 seconds, then relax. This simple stretch lengthens your spine and wakes up your body. Number 2. Cobra pose. Lie face down, hands under your shoulders. Gently lift your chest while keeping your hips grounded. This yoga pose stretches your spine and improves flexibility in your back and core. Number 3. Hanging exercise. If you have a pull-up bar or sturdy surface, hang from it for 15 to 20 seconds. It decompresses your spine, reduces pressure, and helps improve your posture. Number 4. Cat and cow stretch. Get on all fours. Inhale as you drop your belly and lift your head, cow pose. Then exhale as you arch your back, cat pose. This rhythmic movement strengthens your spine and relieves stiffness. Number 5. Pelvic lift. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Lift your hips upward until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for a few seconds, then lower. It strengthens your lower back and glutes, important for posture and balance. Number 6. Forward bend. Stand straight and slowly bend forward, trying to touch your toes without bending your knees. This stretch increases spinal flexibility and loosens tight hamstrings. Number 7. Side stretch. Raise your arms overhead and gently lean to one side. Hold for 15 seconds, switch sides. It lengthens your side muscles and keeps your upper body flexible. Number 8. Jump rope. Jumping rope boosts growth hormones, strengthens your legs, and keeps your posture upright. Start with short sessions and build endurance gradually. Number 9. Superman pose. Lie on your stomach with arms and legs extended. Lift both slightly off the floor, hold, then relax. This strengthens your back and core, giving you a straighter, taller appearance. Number 10. Wall stretch. Stand with your back flat against a wall and reach upward as high as possible. Keep your spine straight and your core tight. This improves alignment and posture. Do these exercises every day for just 10 to 15 minutes and you'll start to notice real changes, not in your bones, but in how you stand, move, and carry yourself. You'll feel your spine decompress, your posture improve, and your confidence grow taller with you. And remember, it's not just about the workout. Combine this routine with proper sleep, good nutrition, and plenty of hydration, and your body will thank you with strength, energy, and balance. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new routine. And tell me in the comments, which exercise made you feel the biggest difference? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.